Today, let's write the letters I, J, K, and L. Let's start with the letter I. Let's go across. Zoom. Now, start at the top and zoom all the way down. Lift your finger again. Let's put it down to the bottom and go across. Zoom. That's the letter I. Let's write it one more time. Zoom. 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 I. Now, let's write J. Start at the top and let's go across. Zoom. Now, start at the top and zoom. That's the letter J. Let's write it one more time. Zoom. Zoom. J. All right, let's write the letter K. Start at the top and zoom straight down. Now lift your finger up, come over here and whoop, whoop. There, that's the letter K. Let's write it one more time. Zoom. Whoop, whoop. K. Now for the letter L. Let's start at the top and go all the way down. Zoom. Now let's go across. Zoom. Well done. That's the letter L. Let's write it one more time. Zoom. Zoom. L. Well done. You can practice writing letters in your workbook.